the top piece. But y'all tell me which one. Oh, these shoes. Let's see. You slide it in like that, and then, boy, hold on, I'm dripping. Your boys in good.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread thin racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Cole, doing back with another video. I'm trying to, bro. Hold on. I think I just broke my fan. Alright, I'm trying to like move stuff as I do this, cause like I'm kind of doing this intro like it's a vlog, but I don't vlog. So today we are unboxing the Gucci shoes I bought. If you guys have me added on Snapchat, go ahead and add me right now. I did go to Gucci and I bought some shoes. So I asked you guys on Snapchat and Instagram if I should do an unboxing video. And today is the day. That's my family portrait, don't look at that. Today is the day I'm unboxing these shoes. Let's just get right into it. Alright, I chose to do this video on my mom's room floor because my room is not big enough and I'm trying to like lay on the floor during this video. So, too dark. This camera quality is pretty nice, but I'm about to do them right here, so let me set this up. Bro, I need longer shorts, bro. This looks so sus, and the camera's tilted. Bow! Alright, I did switch, you know, those shorts, bro. That was bad. But, here's the bag. They gave me an all black bag. Why? I thought everyone got Gucci bags, but I got mine at an outlet, so I guess it's different. First, to give y'all a story, I bought these at, hold on, first, y'all see the green bottom today? Ignore the rose, ignore the rose. I couldn't find the black one, so that's why I'm wearing the green one. I was at Sawgrass Mall in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. That's where I bought them at the Gucci store. And basically, like, bro, it was like a lot of like, I guess there were sales going on, but when we went into Gucci, they said there was no sales. So I got this shoe for a good price. Y'all probably won't even believe the price, but basically I bought them. There was a line to go into the Gucci store, bro. A line to go into the store, like not to buy something, to go into the store. They were letting like, I think 30, 40 people in at a time, and there was a long line, so I literally had to wait in a line to buy these shoes. And I guess that's what they do. They make you have a line, so like when you're in the line, you're anticipated to buy something, so you're like, bro, I waited in this line already, now I have to buy something. So I mean, obviously, they sold me. So let's hurry up and unbox this. First, bro, look, this is what I got my receipt in. They gave like, literally as soon as I did the purchase, the lady came around the counter, handed me the bag, and was just like, here you go, have a nice day. But when I took it, bro, I was like, bro, I bought Gucci, bro. That's when it hit me when she handed me this. This might become a wallet though. It might just be plastic, but when people be like, yo, what is that? I'm be like, it's Gucci. But isn't that a receipt? No, bro, it's my wallet. Put this to the side. Let's get the box. Wow, here is what the box looks like, bro. If you guys, I guess, know about Gucci, I guess you can kind of tell what these shoes might look like from the box. I can say that, look, it says Gucci right there. I like the box, bro. I'm not even about to cap. I'm not even about to lie, bro. I bought these shoes for two reasons. One, because I wanted Gucci shoes, and I wanted Gucci outfit to wear on my birthday. Two, I bought them as a statement. I'm not even gonna be wearing these like that, because I mean, hey, they're Gucci shoes. I'm not rich, I can't wear them like that. I'm really, like, this is like a symbolism to me. Like, I'm gonna have these as motivation, like in my room. If I wanna afford stuff like this more often, I gotta work harder, I gotta find different ways to get income. I'm trying to be like a great entrepreneur. So that's another reason why I bought these, and also to treat myself, because I don't really buy stuff. I did just buy a messenger bag, but I'm buying the messenger bag and this to treat myself for the 10K subscribers that I hit. So that is really why I bought these. Oh, actually, you can say the third reason. I'm, to be honest, I'm trying to become a hype beast. These aren't hype beast shoes, but I am trying to become a hype beast. I was a hype beast my sophomore year in high school and slick in my junior year. And I slick missed those days. I like all the hype beast stuff. I want all the hype beast gear again. So that's kind of what I'm on the track for, but I'm really gonna be saving a lot of money because I am trying to, you know, go some places, blah, 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 blah. But let's unbox these shoes. There goes the top piece. Oh, look, bro. It comes with a, is this the right way? It comes with a Gucci shoehorn. So like when I put my like foot in the shoe, like you know how like you can bend the back of your regular shoe, like when you're putting your foot in. This, it helps, like it supports and it doesn't make your shoe bend. So like it'll press up against the back of the shoe and your foot slides like this through the horn. So that's pretty cool. And then like people have shoe horns, but do they have Gucci shoe horns, bro? Put this to the side. Here we go. Okay, so like obviously I did open these before I did this video. These are Gucci bags. The shoes didn't come in these Gucci bags. It was laid to the side, but I'll show you. Look, bro, I have Gucci. Bro, bags say Gucci on them. Gucci. All right, so I'm gonna take one out. Put this box to the side. I'm gonna take one out so y'all can see what it looks like. Remember, if you saw the box, you probably know what the shoe looks like. Came in another bag also as well. But just take it out. Stop teasing though. Here it is. Dang, every time I open this, like I be regretting like, dang, I really bought Gucci shoes. But every time I look at these, bro, I'm like, no, I don't regret this at all. I'm trying to get a shirt to match it though. Just know if I buy anything Gucci or designer, it's for a steal. I'm not. That's how I was just raised. Like that's how I bought everything. I buy it for a steal. But y'all can see, bro, these shoes are beautiful. Oh my gosh. This one I did lace up. This is not the factory lace. I did lace this one up myself. The other one is still factory lace though. I'm really not sure how I want to wear them, like this or the factory lace. I am kind of rocking with this, but look at them, bro. Gucci shoes. Wish they were red bottoms, but hey, you gotta start from somewhere. Gucci shoes, bro. Let's open the other one. Gucci bag. Wow, bro, these are beautiful. Now here's what the other one looks like. Y'all tell me which laces y'all like better in the comment section below. This is what the factory lace looks like. I don't know if I should wear them like this. I'm kind of feeling them, but I'm kind of not feeling them. And this is what I laced them like. It's kind of what I laced most of my shoes like. But y'all tell me which one. Oh, these shoes! Which one of y'all like better, which laces? But overall, I love these shoes, bro. I am in love with these shoes. The blue, I think it's called the blue floral, flower, I don't know. I just know it's blue flowers on the shoe. I always like this Gucci design because like I would see it on like other messenger bags and backpacks. You're like, bro, that is so fun. I saw the shoes in there. I had to go a size up from my original size because they ran out of the size that I like originally wanted. So I got them. And the inside you can see it says Gucci made in Italy. But look, bro. Let me try them on. Let me try one on. Hey, ignore the socks. They're generic in Walmart. Ignore the socks. Hold on, wait. The shoe horn. I'm about to give y'all a shoe horn tutorial right now. So you put your foot, or first, bro, this is hard to do. You put this up against the back right here, and then you get your foot and you slide it in like this, so it won't bend the back of the shoe, as you can see. You slide it in like that, and then, boy, hold on, I'm tripping. Hold up, yeah, these are high water joggers because my pants are pulled up. But hold up. Your boys in Gooch. Really, to be honest, I think I enjoy looking at the shoe like this more than I have it on my feet. That is the end of this video, man. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. If you want me to buy more Gucci shoes, I'll start a GoFundMe page. I'm just playing. I don't think y'all are seeing it. These are Gucci, bro. Not Vans. Gucci, bro. If you want me to get more Gucci shoes, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel so we can save up that money and go buy some more. I'm working on the fit first, so I gotta get the fit for this because I have nothing to wear with this. This is, like I said, right now it's literally just a statement that I need to, work hard. I need to work harder in 2018 and buy stuff like this. But if you like this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button once again. subscribe to the channel, and your boys. Well, I don't have outro, so I just shrug in all my videos like this, and then the video ends.